And we're back. And still homosexual.
Pretty sex. SEX, if you ask me.
Family friendly.
How come sometimes it slides?
Family friendly.
Do you want to use a gamepad for this?
What's a gamepad?
Just kidding, you can't use the controller.
Fuck you, then. Dude.
That's the worst part. It's because you think, but then you're just like, nope.
How much farther does the shuriken go?
I don't know. I've never played with it. I was waiting for you.
Alright, well, I give up with this.
Alright, pause it here. See, look, the bow.
Dude, that's retarded.
I think I would like the sight.
Yeah, because you'd have this whole angle to hit
But
with.
then again, the shuriken seems like the most OP one, right?
You would think.
Alright, we're...
You would think. I'll let you know. It seems like it travels a little. Oh,
Holy
Jesus fucking Christ! What the fuck?
This turned into a whole different kind of game. You're traveling across the entire map with this thing.
I don't even know what to do with myself. Jesus! Holy crap! Oh my God.
I think it was worth it then for me to 800 or whatever times, 800 hits or something.
Holy crap, dude! I don't even know where to go from here.
to the stars.
What? What else can I hit? This game is
At least this is a little more forgiving with the throwing star.
Holy crap, dude. How did I fuck that up? Yeah, really? Okay.
Just go for the highest angle. Okay, now it's stuck. Oh shit,
Okay,
I bet you could just land on that rock and throw it
straight up. Yep.
Aim for that box. Well, actually, go low. Oh shit.
Are you fucking me right now?
You made it farther though.
Brick.
Well, that's metal. Yeah, I think that's
That
the only
would
downside because
suck.
it rolls forever.
Oh no, I bet the. Where do I go? And you don't know. Well, okay, that's bad, dude. That sucks. Sometimes it's just like, yeah, no.
Okay, that's the wall.
Yeah, it is the wall.
Just up, just see where it goes. Okay. Oh, I bet you could get that from the other side. Like if you hit that and then just go. Yeah.
I think it's up there.
You could have made it.
Yeah, I think so.
Right, thread the needle. I feel like this game's a lot more fun now.
Yeah, it does completely.
It's no longer white hot rage. Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, man.
Let's just go the way we're supposed to.
What are the odds of that? I hit things fucking broad.
like that.
But, God, dude. Your mouse pad.
I don't even have a mouse pad.
Your seat. This is why you guys need to subscribe. You need to get Jelix a mouse pad.
My ex was supposed to get me one.
She's skanko.
Whee!
That's going on.
Where's it going?
Back. Whoa.
And there we go.
I mean, I am thoroughly enjoying myself now. I'm not as pissed off. The axe was just infuriating.
Yeah, even a double-side axe doesn't seem like much of a win. I'm surprised they don't make this the thing you get when you
Yeah,
win.
no kidding. I think the only thing they definitely nerfed it pretty hard. Oh, get up there, you little baby.
Make him away downtown.
Walk it, bitch.
I mean, yeah, whatever works. Yeah. I think
Please.
the problem with the throwing The throwing star is just because there is too much power that it bounces off things.
Yeah, Jesus. Okay, I kind of. So you just gotta.
Yeah, you just gotta lob it sometimes. And other times you just gotta throw it.
Oh, that was lucky. Holy cow.
I think that sends you back to the beginning. Well, not exactly.
Almost.
I don't know where we are. Oh, wow. Nice
What?
stop there.
Jesus Christ.
Do you think we can beat the game now?
Maybe. Depends on how fucking long it is. Just a taste. Okay, I don't know if the lob is any better.
Nice, right on top. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Get it because there's a star on top? That's metal. That's a sound. It's worse than the stone, I think. You're just gonna see where. Just do an aerial maneuver, see where. Oh!
Ah, damn it.
Secrets!
I got an idea.
We're going for the big time, baby.
I hit the same spot. I gotta start marking where I'm like throwing from.
Precision versus accuracy. See, when you hear that satisfying thwap, it kind of makes up for a lot of it, but not all of it. Making my way downtown.
Jesus. Fucking ripped that one. It's like a skateboard.
Denied. You forgot your technique when you hit that. Nice. Well, we're gonna land right on the tree. Okay, yeah. I'm sorry I jinxed it. Oh my god. I thought it was done for that time.
Doug Dimmadome.
Doug digga digga dome 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 digga.
That's what I wanted. That's exactly what I thought was gonna happen. It's not over.
Why?
Why you do this?
Nice.
That was pretty solid.
Solid, dude. That's probably not a good angle. I'd go back down.
Fuck.
Well, I guess you have no choice.
Okay. Okay.
Nice. Dude, quit cheating and just do it the real way.
Wait, what? What's the real way?
You gotta go to the right. Just click on it little bit by little bit.
Oh, dude. Oh, okay.
Moving platform.
That was just a lob. I almost made it.
That was a shot in the dark. Go. Yeah, there you go. No, you can't go straight up from there.
I know what I'm fucking doing.
So sorry. Oh.
Just kidding. I actually don't.
What is this game?
Believe it or not, every time I say I meant to do something, I usually don't mean it. Like I meant to do that.
Oh, you can't even get stuck in those. That's crazy. That's crazy, man.
Oh, come on, dude. Oh, this is infuriating. It's just, you gotta get...
This is the end.
My friend.
Yay! There's another knockoff of the Bennett Foddy game that's mini golf.
That'd be fun.
And you have to hit the ball in the air.
That would be fun.
And as soon as it hits something, it can roll forever.
That's no fun.
Right on the tree. Now, what's the left side? We don't know. Nice!
Okay. Okay.
I don't even know where the fuck we're supposed to be going anymore. Oh, that's not a lip, apparently.
Jesus Christ.
Hit that crate. That's the end of the episode. We're gonna lock it down here. Subscribe, become a key to unlock future content. Like and share this with your friends. Make me YouTube famous so I can be an ad. Or I can be an ad. I can have
It
ad.
could be a whole ad.
I can get ad revenue so I can actually afford a mouse pad and nicer things. And keep making great videos. You check in my drawer for things to do.
Condoms.
That's not where I hide them. Anyways, bye guys. How you feeling? You think you can do it in this next episode?
I don't know. I don't even know what the fuck to do now. We're just kind of in it.